Hi guys, welcome back to Oloyin Kitchen. Yes, so my people, as we all know, it's all about kitchen tips, cooking tips and flavors. Today is another day. This is another banger. This is a very simple recipe but very yummy and delicious. It's our beans, Oloyin beans with maize, with corn, whatever you call it. It's very simple but so delicious. When I say delicious, trust me guys. Yes, and we have just few ingredients and you are good to go. You don't need to complicate it, you don't need to add too much stuff. It's just good. We have 1.5 kilogram of Oloyin beans and 500 gram of corn to go with it. This is frozen corn. I bought it from the supermarket. And this one, the Oloyin beans, Nigeria Oloyin beans, Africa Oloyin beans, whatever you call it. And we have our onions. So about flavor, we have 2 purple onions and 2 white onions. And this is my scotch bonnet for today. 2, and just Maggi to taste with salt. And the red oil to go with it. You must be generous with your oil when you are using your oil about this recipe. That's one thing about it. You must have enough oil. Yes guys, let's go guys. Guys, yes, I'm going to parboil my beans. Then I'll wash it. It because of ash bombs, or some people may say it disturbs them in the stomach. So I will parboil it. Then guys, we'll come back. Yes guys, this is about 3.5 liters of water. Yes, and just like you wash your normal parboiled rice, that's how I've washed my beans nicely. And we have onions inside of the hot water. So this is what I'm going to use to cook my beans until tender. Yeah. So we cook until tender. That's it. Because I want my beans very soft. Yes guys, our beans has been cooking for about an hour. So our beans is nice and tender. Look at it, look at it. So tender. Yeah, look at it. So tender. So this is our corn, sweet corn. From the fridge, you can actually add it direct from the freezer. And this is our blended pepper. This is my condiment. My oil. Be generous with your oil. Then we allow to cook. Yes guys, this is our final product. You can actually enjoy this with bread, with yam, with plantain. It depends on your preference. This goes with everything. Corn goes with everything. So this is so nice, so yummy. Very yummy. And I will see you in my next video. Guys, serve as you like. Remember always to be happy with yourself and love yourself, because you are carefully and wonderfully made. Thank you for staying on to this time. I love you. Please subscribe, support your girl now, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Please subscribe on the notification bell. Bye.